Well, welcome to our steering group assembly.
Okay, it's been a while and we are so glad to be back.
We are looking at Article 6.
Article 6 is about life, survival, and development. Every child has the right to live. Governments must do all they can to that children survive and develop their full potential.
Article 6 is one of the general principles of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child.
Think of some of the things you couldn't do when you were young, but you can now do at your age now.
I can't talk.
I can walk.
I could eat by myself.
I can choose what I want in my free time.
How to see Article 6 in action?
Adults look after me.
I get healthy food and clean water at school and home.
Okay. I am becoming more independent every single day.
Make it back.
My PE teacher encouraged every exercise.
Your PE teacher encourages you to exercise.
Yeah.
That's brilliant, Erin.
I feel safe at home and school.
My new school is super shiny and clean.
My mother helps me keep the house clean.
Don't you mean you help your mom keep the house clean?
Yes.
I love school.
Right. So steering group love break times, do you? Steering group, how do you feel?
Safe, secure, and respected.
Fantastic. I'm so glad you all feel safe, secure, and respected.
Article 6 is so important.
Aidan, what is Article 6 known as? The right to
life.
Lewis, did you say you've got a message for the end of the assembly?
Let me think. Yes, I have. Thanks to all the duty bearers out there in the world to reach our full potential, and let's see if we can reach our maximum potential.
Fantastic. Thank you, Lewis. And steering group, what's the last thing you've got to say to everybody?
Thank you.
Assembly.
Fantastic. Well done, steering group. And I'm sure we've all learned lots about Article 6. Say a big goodbye.
Bye.